Hello friends, welcome back. In last video we saw about the for loop. In this video we're going to see a same result or same output in a while loop. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe and let's get started. So I do have my HTML and I'm going to create a while loop. So how we going to create? First I'm going to say my starting point. So let I equal to 1. I'm going to print 1 to 10 number. Okay, so let I equal to 1 and oops, I need a script tag, and inside script tag I need. Okay, so let I equal to 1 while parenthesis inside I'm going to specify my condition I is less than or equal to 10 curly bracket, and I would say document dot write I, and don't forget to increment, so I plus plus. And in last video I also explained I plus plus, it's same as I equal to I plus 1. Okay, it's exactly same thing. So let's say what are the steps. So I'm specifying here that this is my starting point. Okay, it's going to start with the 1. It's check the condition if I is less than or equal to 10. What does it mean? If 1 is less than or equal to 10, that's going to be print it increment. So now 1 become 2, so now I is equal to 2. So it's check over here, 2 is less than or equal to 10. Yes, it's going to print its increment. So now it's 3. It will loop through until it's become 10. As soon as it's reached to 11, that loop will be break. Okay, that's why it's important, don't forget this, otherwise your loop will be never ending. I'm going to save and let's check. So as you can see 1 to 10, let's give some break here. So tag break, so I'm giving break here, so that's why it's printing in a next line. Okay, so 1 to 10. So if I want to print 5 to 10, then starting point I'm going to change to 5. So now it's 5 to 10. If I want to 5 to 25, so here I'm going to say 5 to 25. Okay, so 5 to 25, 1 and 10. So now let's make sort of the table of the let's print table of the 5. Okay, so I'm going to create another variable, let a equal to 5. Inside I create another variable, say let result equal to a times I, and here I would say a plus in a comma a times and one more space plus I equal to result plus. Okay, so a is a 5, this is a string, so times I. So so as soon as it's increment, so basically it's increment over here, so it start with the 1, and result which we store a times I. Okay, so 5 times 1 is equal to 5, 5 times 2, so 5 is a, this is the I which is incremented, and this is the result, right? So this is the variable result which is calculating that one. You can do like a lot of things with that loop. Okay, so this is just a basic thing, but you can do a lot of things with that one. So hope you like my video, and if you like, please share and subscribe and do some practice, and we will see you in another loop, which is a do while loop, and I will explain how is difference between a while or a for loop. Okay, so we will see you next video. Bye bye.